I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome to my Pilates Haven here in Los Angeles. Today we are discussing the thigh stretch on the mat. My absolute favorite exercise on the mat, I think. Maybe jackknife is up there too, but I really do obsess about this exercise, and if you take my online classes every week, we never skip thigh stretch. I think it's really essential for all of us. It teaches us a lot about what we need and also prepares us for what's coming on the mat. So where the thigh stretch comes in the series, it comes after swan single leg kick and double leg kick. And what's great about that is you've had a few exercises to really help connect you to your back body. You've had a few exercises to really help you stretch through your shoulders and connect to your back and open the front of your hips. That way, when you get into the thigh stretch position, you're not like this. Okay, I'm ready, right? I don't want any like, something like that. I don't even know what that is, but that's not what we want. So, a couple things that it's really hard to do, especially if you can't see yourself, is where your hips are in space. Most of us, our hips are behind our knees. And for this exercise to really work, we need our hips on top of our knees, which is a little bit more like there. For me, freaking out, my hamstrings are like on fire and my feet want to lift up. So we have to push the feet down and keep pulling the stomach up. It's not stomach forward, stomach up. So I'm just using my pole to kind of help show that, right? Then if you have a bar, use it. If it's weighted, great. Your arms come to the sky. Try not to pop your ribs forward. So remember, it's hips over knees, but it's also shoulders over hips. And then you press the shins down. That's hard for me, so I'm working on it. And you lower the arms as you lean back. And you lift your arms and come up. And don't leave your booty behind. Bring it with you. So you don't want to end up like this. Okay, I made it. You gotta bring it forward. If your feet lift, it's okay. Just know you have to push them down more. So you lower, you can go back as far as you can keep reaching down through your knees. So if you feel pain in your knees, it's typically because you're actually just leaning back and you're not rooting your knees down and forward and your head back and up, right? There's always opposition. So don't use the bar to throw you off your center. Lower, connect to your back, and then reach from your back and use the bar on your back to help lift you off your knees. And then lower, lean, and lift. And so someday, I don't know, maybe you touch your butt to your feet, right? Do 3 to 5 of them. If you don't have a pole, it's okay. Do it without a pole, but do try to connect to this spot here. That's what you're trying to do, so that when you lift your arms up, it really helps teach you how to lift this up, which, you know, in teaser, which comes later on the mat, you roll up for your teaser, you lift your arms up to help lift this. So it's really helping prepare you for something further on now in the series that you need help on, right? The other beautiful thing about doing thigh stretch is the next exercise is neck pull, and if you don't have your seat warmed up and your quad stretched out, it's like a miserable exercise. What you will feel, it's called thigh stretch, but don't be surprised if you just feel a lot of hamstrings and a lot of butt and tummy. I think that would be amazing. So I hope that answers your question about thigh stretch. I hope it lets you, get excited about trying it, and just make sure that your booty comes over your knees. So find a mirror to spot yourself and just double check until you understand what that feeling in your body is when your hips are over your knees. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching this. For more free tutorials and my online mat classes that happen every single week for only $5. They are over on onlinepilatesclasses.com, and if you need anything, have any requests, make sure you comment below. I respond to all of them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.